discuss about how to write a code for to find the greatest and smallest of two numbers, or greatest or smallest in between three numbers. So first we are going to discuss on finding greatest of which one is the greatest among two numbers. So now first we can take as int a comma b, printf, enter two numbers, scanf %d a comma b. So after that, for example, we are taking a as 5 and b as 7. So now we are going to use if condition here. If a is greater than b, printf a is greatest, else printf b is greatest. This is very simple code. We will close the brackets after returning 0. Return 0. So if 5 is greater than 7, condition is false, so b is greatest. If, for example, a is 7 and b is 5, so a is greater than b, then condition becomes true and a is greatest among the two numbers. So now we will, like that we can do for the smallest also. Like if a is smaller than b, then a is smallest, and else b is smallest. I hope you get this point. So now mainly this is not the concern. We will try to check the greatest and smallest among three numbers. We will move forward in finding the greatest among three numbers. So previously we have took the example of greatest among two numbers, which was very easy, I guess. So three numbers, we are going to introduce three conditions. So if a is greater than b, double AND, that is a logical AND operator, and a is greater than c. So for this we are printing as a is greater than b and c both, so a is greatest. For second condition, else if b is greater than c. Why we are not taking a and b comparison here? Because it is already being done. So print f b is greatest, else printf c is greatest. Now return 0, condition loop closed, function closed. So here we have taken as a5, b7 and c9. So 5 is greater than b, condition false. What does this AND operator do? AND operator is nothing but you have a value of a, b, 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 1. So AND operator means multiplication of a number. So if 1 implements true, 0 implements false. So multiplying 1 and 0 is 0, in this also 0, in this also 0. Only one condition will be true when both the statements are true. So it will check for the first condition. If it is true, then only it will check this condition. If it is not true, it will skip this condition and will go into the else if part. So a is 5, b is 7, where condition becomes false. So it will go and check in else if whether b is greater than c. Here b is 7, c is 9. That means this is also false, and now c is the greatest number, as you can see. So now we can change some values. For example, here we have taken, now we will took a as 9, b as 7, C is 5. So what will happen? We have reverted it. So A is 9. So now A is 9 and B is 7, where condition becomes true. So it will go and check in the AND condition to check another one. If A is greater and B than C, that is also condition true. So A is the greatest in this case. So now we are going to take one more example where C is 9, A is 8. Now we are taking B as the smallest one here. So C. So A is greater than B. Here condition becomes true. So now it will go and check in this condition. So in this condition A is greater than C. It becomes false. So this is true, this is false. So 1 and with 0. 1 and with 0 is 0. So condition becomes false here totally, because for this condition to be true, both the conditions needed to be true. So it will come out of this loop and will check in this condition whether B is greater than C. So B is greater than C? No. B is smaller than C. So this condition also becomes false and C is the greatest. Like that we can check for other scenarios also. So this is how you have to implement the greatest among the three numbers. Like that only you can do for the smallest. I don't need to tell you that you can revert this sign as A is less than B and A is less than C and B is less than C. Like that. A will be the smallest, in this case B will be the smallest, and in this case C will be the smallest. So that is for today. Thank you. Hope you got it till now.